Okay, here's a tutorial in making text effect in Corel Draw X3. As you can see here, it's like a metallic effect. This was all done in Corel Draw X3. Let's look at the object or the text effect. Okay, just zoom out here. Okay, so first of course, we have to have the XPS um, uh, object first. So what I did, just to make this a little bit faster, here's what I've done here. So this is the XPS text logo. So what I'm going to do now is if you take a look at the text effect here, it has like an outline, a contour, like an offset. So that's what we're going to do. Okay. So what we're gonna do, if we're gonna combine all of this one first. Okay. But before doing that, we're going to copy this one. So Control C to copy, or you can always go here and then copy. Okay. Okay, we want to copy that one because we want to save that particular object because that's the original file. And so that when I click on paste, it would just paste right to the same position. Like for example here, that's already been pasted. Say for example, I'm going to delete this one. Okay, since we copied it in that position, if I paste, it's also going to stay in that position too. Okay, anyway, the text is already in the clipboard, so we won't worry about that. So we're going to combine this one. Okay, so after combining that, we're going to go to this tool here for interactive contour tool. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a contour. Okay, so when you click on the interactive contour, you're going to see this properties here on top. Okay, this one is inside. Okay, the contour, do you want it going inside or outside? Okay, we're gonna choose outside because it's going to go outside the text object, so outside, right? And if you take a look now, it's a little bit bigger. So this one is the contour offset. This one controls the distance. So if you can make it smaller, and this one controls the steps, like how many steps do you want, how many contours. Say 2. And if you notice here, it increases, right? Okay, so we only want 1. Okay, and yeah, I think 0.061 inch is fine, or maybe not because see the S. Okay, so I'll make it smaller than there. I think that's good enough. Okay, now since I've done that one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a fill on this. Okay, actually I don't want to put a fill. I'm going to zoom in here, click on the outside, and go to arrange, break contour apart. Okay, so once it's already it's already break into parts, right? The outline and the object. Then we're going to combine it again. So you select all with a crossing window and click on combine. Okay, so now if I click on the fill, it's only the outline is going to change, right? Anyway, so we go to the the fill fountain, and we're going to do custom. Okay, and then in here the angle will make it 90 degrees. And then here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make this black, and then in the center here, if I double click, and I'll put a gray. If you took a look at the outline here, the fill, it changes. Or maybe I'll put another one, double click, and then click on white. There, I think that's better now. And then I click OK. Okay. See, now we got the outline, and then I'm just going to remove the outline. No outline. Okay, so you've got that already. Just gonna delete this one. Okay, and remember we had the original XPS text in the clipboard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to edit and then paste. Okay, I'm going to put a fill so it's still there, right? But what I'm going to do instead of that, I'm going to add another page here. Here's how you add a page. Click on the plus sign, and I'm going to paste it in this page. Because what I'm going to do here, I'm going to stylize this. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your freehand tool and click on Bezier tool, and I'm going to make a line. Click and click here. Okay. Now I'm going to make a curve. So click on it, right mouse click, go to curve. I'm going to make a curve like that, and go like this. That's for our reflection, the metallic effect. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, first I'm going to select all the text first. Okay, hold on shift, select this one and select that. So I got 4 images. I have 4 objects, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to combine it first. So after combining that, I click on the line that I just made, the curve, and then hold on shift and click on the text logo, and I'm going to go here in the properties and click on simplify. Okay, so once I click on simplify, then I'm going to delete this line. Okay, then I have these I have these objects, okay, with the curve. So if I go arrange and break apart, then I can make this as individual one, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do undo, go back here. Now this one, the top portion, I hold on shift, top portion, all these 3 objects here. I'm going to put a gradient fill, and I'm going to I'm gonna make it lighter gray. So let's say I'm going to do it this way, right? And I'll make this 90 degrees. So I'll make it 270 so that it's top gray and then here it's white, and then I'll click OK. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go make this one. So click on that, hold on shift, click the bottom part, hold on shift, okay, and then I'm going to put a gradient fill on that. So I'm going to go here, fill tool, gradient. Okay, so I'll make this 90 degrees. Sorry, I'll make that 270 so that the black would be stay up, and then I'll click OK. There. And then I'm gonna make a crossing window to select all the objects, and I'm going to remove the outline. There. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to select all of this, Control C, and I'll go back to my page 2 where my outline is, and then I'll just paste the text there. There. So what I'm going to do is the only thing I have to do is to put the drop shadow. So I'm going to group all of this, and I'm going to put a drop shadow here. Put a slider on. There you go. I just made a new text effect. Very nice. Very elegant. So that's it.